oh boy, guys, check this out. The birds are attacking the spark. This is me evading the birds right now. I'm doing everything I can in sport mode so that I can evade the birds. But yeah, sorry that the EV comp and ISO was so off. We were trying to solve the problem while the birds were coming in, but then I just decided it's too much fun, so I didn't adjust the camera and just continued messing with the birds. As you can see, I I wanted to see what their skill set really is. So I was out here playing with fate, I guess you could say, but especially over the water. But yeah, so that's why the ISO and EV comp is way off. I was adjusting settings last night and didn't actually finish what I started, so it's going to kind of be whited out, but just enjoy, because I was definitely trying to get the crows. What I was doing was trying to get the crows to just get tired and not chase it anymore. And apparently they didn't want to give up. I flew for about 7 minutes in sport mode altogether and kept trying to get their attention. And then hopefully they were just going to leave it alone, but they never ended up leaving it alone. So I, at this point now, I've got the girlfriend watching what I'm doing. And we're just kind of out here playing around. I'm waiting for the birds to fly back and land, and then I decide to take it out again here. I send it back out over the water, sport mode. As soon as I get out there, the birds leave the tree, and bam, there they go. They're chasing it again. So, yeah, they would not let me fly the Spark at all. They would not give up. They kept chasing and chasing and chasing, and it didn't matter what I did, guys. I couldn't get more than like 50 or 60 feet from me before they would try to take the Spark out. So we finally just gave up and called it a day. As you can see, I didn't adjust the EV comp at all. And now that it looks kind of good, I was still way off with the camera settings. But so next time we go out, we'll make sure that everything is set correctly. But there you go, man. That's when birds attack. This was actually kind of fun. Oh man, I don't remember going at them so many times. I guess I did. Okay, here we go. So now I'm out flying again, seeing if they're going to chase it. Yes, they immediately started coming after it again, so I came back. So yeah, all right. Well, the birds did not want me to fly today, apparently. That's unfortunate. She's sitting in the car watching what's happening here. Anyways, guys. All right. Toodaloo.